welcome to Lamplight Crochet. My name is Laura. I wanted to showcase my mini Octopus Lovey blanket that I have designed recently, and I did make a video tutorial on how to make this step by step. However, the video tutorial is long enough that my equipment is not able to upload it onto YouTube. So I wanted to direct you to the free pattern fully written on my blog spot. It's creationsofinspiration.blogspot.com, and the link can be found below the video box. If you just scroll on down, you can click the link there. And at present, the mini Octopus Lovey fully written pattern is about the second project on the page. It doesn't take long to find it, very easy to find it. Just scroll down slightly and you'll see the picture of it there, and you'll see the fully written pattern there for mini Octopus Lovey. So as you can see, this can be made in various colors. And I think I made this one with an I hook in the blanket because it's slightly larger. This one I made with an H hook. So you can choose either hook that you want. It's just slightly larger if you make it with the I. An H hook is a 5 millimeter, and I believe that the I hook is a 5.5 millimeter hook. So basically this crochet pattern is just a granny square on the blanket part, and then a little sphere for the head, and then spirals for the legs. And obviously you put the eyes on there with, if you're familiar in embroidery, that would be like a French knot over and over again in the same space. And then you just sew it onto the blanket. So I really love this pattern, and I really wanted to share it on YouTube, but I wasn't able to load it on. So please go to my blog spot at creationsofinspiration.blogspot.com, and you can find the full written pattern there. Just scroll down and it's very easy to find my page. And don't forget to click like and subscribe on my YouTube channel and support me in these simple projects that I'm showing you how to do step by step. Thank you. We'll see you next time.